Hey loves, in today's video I'm going to be organizing my makeup drawer, and I'm just trying to get rid of all of the old makeup and just go buy all new makeup. But before I can actually buy any new makeup, I need to declutter what I do have. Now moving into like my grown woman phase, I do want to get rid of a lot of the like cutesy makeup and just have like sleek makeup overall, nudes, and that's about it. No colors too much, just a little bit. And so that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm just going through this drawer because this is actually all of my makeup, which I think is commendable because some of y'all got 10 drawers, which is great. But when you get a certain age, you just can't do it anymore. So I'm going to declutter every inch of this drawer and see how it looks at the end. Also making room for my grown woman makeup to come. So I did decide to keep my old trays because they were in amazing condition, and I did buy new ones, but because these are so large, I just went ahead and cleaned them up, got rid of all of that residue from makeup and oil sitting on it, and you'll see how it turns out. So this tray expands and it contracts, so I love it for that, but of course I need it to be as large as possible. And this is one of my older trays. I've had it for a while and it's just still amazing, so I'm going to keep it and just add to what I already have, and hopefully everything fits and it's not just compacted on top of each other, because really my makeup was like out of control and you can't really use the makeup you have if it's just so much of it. It's almost like you're just storing it. So hopefully I can achieve, so stay tuned for that. Another good reason to use these trays is because it will keep the longevity of your actual furniture. This piece here is not brand new. It's like one of the first pieces I've had, and it still looks like it's brand new, other than a few scratches from just cleaning it a little bit. But imagine all of that makeup sitting on the actual surface of the drawer. It would be a mess. And so it's just good to have these trays because it just keeps your furniture clean, and everything has its own container, and it's just easier to organize. This is individual lashes because I do individual lashes, and that video is up on my channel. It's a very old video, but thumbs up if you want to see me actually do individual lashes. It's really not that hard. So it's one in there. It's 15 15s. This is just a C curl. It's not a CC curl. This one is from 8 to 15s, and I kind of use 8 to 14s. I kind of use all of the 14s. I just like really dramatic long lashes, and over here is the same. So that's probably why I stopped doing them, because I kind of ran out of the like really long ones. So that's what's in here. I'm gonna get back into doing my individual lashes because they kind of last longer when I do them myself or whatever. So I have this stuff under here, and it's like I just got too much stuff. Okay, so and I was just about to open this box. Literally everything here like that you see is, other than the Fenty, all of these sleek palettes, makeup brushes, all of this stuff is brand new. Everything is brand new, and it's because I just been keeping it in the drawer with the older makeup. But now that I'm getting rid of the old makeup, because at some point you have to let go, and I'll show you what my bed looks like. My daughter already came to collect hers, so it's not as much. And I gave her all new stuff. That's how much new stuff I had. But she's gone with it now. And I gave her all new stuff. And I also had this. And look at that cute kabuki brush. And so since I'm just opening up like new makeup, and I'm like, okay, let me open this up. Makes no sense for this to stay in the box. And this is just gonna go in my drawer. I don't know where. I have to find a space for it, because I think I'm going to keep this kabuki brush here. I'm not going to keep this here. I'm actually getting rid of all of my foundations. That's what's over there. Because I'm just like, at some point, if you've had it for a while, isn't that cute? So cute. Yeah, if you've had it for a while, it's really time to go. And so this will be a cute, this kabuki brush will be so super cute, because I don't have a dense brush. I got rid of them in the earlier clips, and this is as dense as it can be. I won't use it for foundation, but like maybe just brushing off setting powder or whatever I use it for. And it's really meant to be used with this. Let me take it out. It's meant to be used with this highlighter, and this is a highlighter that you like brush over your chest, even like when you're doing like highlight on your cheeks, over your blush, just as a highlighter. The little velvet container it came in, so cute, right? Look, it came in this velvet, really, really nice container, but it's gone. And this is the highlighter here. You see all this crap here, but this is actually garbage because it's crap. Let me move it. So this is the highlighter here, and I'm just so glad to take it out, because I've had it like right now. It has a topper on it, but when you remove it, there's no cover for it. but then the packaging is so luxe, right? Number 7, almost like Chanel 7, but it's number 7. And this is a highlighter, so I can put it here because I think that's what these are. These are all like highlighter palettes. So when I say everything here is brand new, except the Fenty, some of my concealers, and some of my lipsticks, everything else is new. I'm gonna give you like a breakdown tour at the end, but I'm just still getting rid of things. Like I said, all of my foundations, they're really old. I'm getting rid of every single last one of them. I do have this MAC that the girl at the Ulta where I was, Eli, she mixed it for me. And this is all I'm keeping, like literally. But just so it can be extremely grown woman aesthetic. I'm just done with the pinks. I'm done with everything. It has to be nude, silver, black, and a little bit of gold. But everything I'm getting rid of. All my store-bought makeup I'm getting rid of. I'm just going to be moving towards like 3 or 4 brands. I think I spoke about that in another video. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm even getting rid of my Fit Me. I recently just bought the Fit Me again. And I'm also getting rid of my Fenty. I don't think she's gonna like that. Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of it because I'm like, the color's gold, but it's like, I just want my skin to look like skin. It's like when you get a certain age, like the full beat, just, it makes you look older, like literally. Okay, so this is exactly what the drawer looks like. Try not to get in these frames. I'm going to try not to get in the frame because everything is so mirrored. But this is what everything looks like. I just wanted to tell y'all how I'm having the worst luck this week with the computers and with the footage. I even thought, okay, I'm going to try to shoot on my, I was even like, oh, I'm going to shoot on my phone. When I tell you the footage on the phone would not import to YouTube in 4K, garbage. iPhones are garbage. And so I had to scrap that footage and just re-record on my camera. So now the video I wanted to put up, which was about my drapes, which I'm sure you guys don't care about, but I care about, it literally has to be reshot. And good thing we're still putting up more rods and curtains, so I'll have footage to shoot about that because I really enjoy doing house stuff. But this also helps me with calming my nerves and just being more like satisfied with the result. So I do love how everything turned out here. And I'm just going to give you another quick overview. So guys, if you like content like this, I'm a beauty enthusiast first and foremost. I just enjoy everything beautiful. It doesn't matter what it is. Just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And brow pencils, much more blush, highlight, setting powders, and concealers. So this is what everything looks like, minus my lash bucket, because I actually have an extremely huge lash bucket, because you know how it is. Every time you order hair, they send you lashes, and then you always are buying lashes. But I'm just an individual or clustered lash girl. I don't like the scripts. I'm stuck with a basket full of lashes, so maybe I'll do a giveaway on that. You guys just leave me a comment. I'm also running a wig giveaway. If you guys are interested, just go ahead and leave a comment. I'm trying to get to a certain amount of subscribers first before I do that giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me know if you like the way this turned out. I think it is so aesthetically pleasing. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and I love it. And this is all the makeup I have so far. And what I'm going to buy very soon is just a few other products. And that's about it. I'm just keeping it simple, not basic, but minimal. I still have a stockpile down here. It's just like I'm never gonna like, and that bucket is full of lashes to the top, and I just don't want to go through it. So I don't think it ever will end, but we are doing better. Thanks for watching. I begin to